I'm at Venta in a Gulf state of Veracruz, kind of just on the border of Tabasco. You can see behind me you can see the back of the Olmec Heads. I'm just trying to get out of the rain actually, it's very heavy rain here. See in the background as well, the Great Pyramid, which is pretty much about the same size as Silbury Hill as far as I can tell. I'm going to go and walk up it as soon as the rain dies down. And there's one of the Olmec Heads there, and I think you can see another Olmec Head just the back of it. There's quite a lot to look at really. Fascinating sight, but I don't know why. I mean, this must have been a major energy portal. I think it's on I read and I just dowsed that it's actually on a fault line, and it has major energy currents going through it. This is why such an obscure, cold and wet location was chosen. Anyway, let's go and check out some more of the site. So it's just in this area here where I found the convergence of all the energy lines. Each line, one goes through that head, the other one goes through this head, and the other one goes through the head over there. Three of them go through these lines and meet over here, where these hundreds of basalt columns were put up in a big kind of ceremonial square with a circle in it, I believe, and to protect something. So maybe they were protecting the sacred space. This is what it's believed, they were protecting something. This was the ceremonial area I'm standing right in the middle of. And so it's really hard to tell, you know, just by all that's left is a few mounds, a few earthworks. You can't really tell, and a few boulders here. Most of the original pieces are in Venta Park, 50 miles away in Villahermosa, which we're going to go to tomorrow. So yeah, but just check this out, isn't it amazing? It's just like a very ancient, sort of almost tropical kind of weird civilization that built all these weird mounds and heads. Look at them, amazing. So we're standing on the only definite Olmec pyramid that's left in this part of the world, and so we know some others may be Olmec, but this one is definitely Olmec, or whoever they may have been. So we have the Basalt Heads, we have Stela with white people, and we're going to look at these in Venta Park tomorrow. But it's just awesome. This is like Silbury Hill to me. It's the same height, slightly different scenery due to its tropical nature, and there's oil rigs obviously everywhere now because it's now oil country. Used to be rubber plantations around here, which the Olmecs got named from. You know, it's the Aztec name for rubber people. But however, I'm just absolutely blown away because this is like a 7-fluted pyramid of all things. It's got like 7 kind of sides to it, all come up in a sort of curved way. So I'm in the gardens of Venta, and this is just one of the replicas which was apparently found in this original place. I find this very interesting, because if you look carefully you can see there's like 4 serpents coming at him from the 4 corners. And I dowsed here and I found that there's actually 4 energy lines, again a bit like we saw at the other end of the site, where the 4 energy lines congregate in this, where all the central columns were. And just above his head, as you can see there, you can see that it's like a crossing thing. It almost looks like mushrooms or axes, or I'm not sure what they are exactly, but look at them, very strange. It's like the Scottish flag. And then these are the serpents here, there are 4 of them. Very interesting, and it's interesting this is supposed to be the altar. And in fact he's sitting on the floor so he can absorb the energies. His hands are both on the floor again to absorb the energies. He's holding something in his left hand down there. Not sure what it is. Could be some kind of device. Not sure. He looks fairly happy. Again, you can just see all this kind of serpent symbolism around here. And this one here, it's almost like the serpent is coming off the arm of this person and going around the side, connecting up around the front. Again, very strange. He's actually holding it. He's actually holding it. Look, you can see. Holding what she's holding, whatever that might be. Again, I believe that goes around this side as well. It's all you can't see around that side, so it's all been mutilated, which seems to happen a lot with these Olmec sites. It's one of the big things with them. Luckily, what I think we're seeing here, which is been saved, even though this is only a replica. We're going to see the original in Venta Park in Villahermosa tomorrow. Is this symbolism of like kind of energy, plasma energy thing coming out of her arm, and he's touching it. So to me that symbolises earth energy and different things. So again, this could be why the altar's here. And the fact that it was found here, and the fact that it's on 4 energy line crossing points, suggests it's a powerful place. So I hope that's a little bit of earth energies education in the Olmec world.